Working in the sew shop today. Pretty cold outside, like 25, 26. But there's something special we have going on. We usually don't get anything like this here. It's a snow day. Inside with my heat. Got my Mr. Buddy fired up. Got my PE 770 working on this pattern. Motorcycle. Working that one into a patch. Then I got my PE 535. Doing my gaiters. This is a work shirt. So I did get my thread mounted to the wall there. I did get my old Kenmore 12 stitch up and going, but I've still got problems with it. Some stuff is broken on it. Yeah, we usually don't get this here. Snow day. I just did get in a bunch of new thread. Got my grandfather clock up and going. It's been a while on that one. Had some issues with it when I moved it, but I got it fixed. Still working on my 754 Honda. I did get the old Norton going. So I'm planning on riding that to a funeral in March. One of my buddies in the motorcycle industry passed away, and he's having their funeral in March at his motorcycle leather shop, Warm Springs, Georgia. Cut that out and made that on my CNC laser cutter. Yeah, that's what I'm doing today. Okay, I got this one finished up. I gotta change the thread on it. So let me get this handle. And this Gary here. I just really started it embroidering, kind of doing it as a hobby more so than a business. But I bought a PE 770 on Facebook. It's over here. Didn't get a good deal on it. The people told me that it was fine and working, but it's worn out. I mean, it's just was terrible. I ordered parts and tried to fix it and tried to get it to work, but I found this one here on eBay, and it was without the carriage. That one had a good carriage on it. This one here was barely used. I'm not sure what happened, the story to it and everything, but I actually got it at a better price than I got that other one for. And as you can see, it's sewing away. I had to do a little bit of work to it, change the needle, change the bobbin thread holder, which was on the other one. It was good, so I'm up and rolling with it fine. This little PE 535, I bought it on Facebook Marketplace too, and it's been bulletproof. All I've had to do to it was change a needle and just run it. I mean, I've run the crap out of this 535, and it's like I said, it's bulletproof. As you can see, the patterns turn out wonderful on it. I did get some thread holders. I got that one because I have to change thread a lot. I got to put on a red now. And the 535 does have the color screen. I like that. This PE 770, as you can see, it's just black and white screen. So let me do a thread change. I wish I had some way to put my camera up on a tripod. I don't have a way, but let me see if I can work through it while I'm on this is my phone. Let's see if I can work through it while I'm on here. Do a thread change. You want to, and I've done it before without raising. See, that thread comes out. I got it. It's asking for a red. So, well, when you do raise it, it makes it easier to retrieve the thread out of the tensioner. So here's my red, and it's kind of tangled under the bottom here. Let me see if I can get that untangled. But on this thread holder, you just shoot it through here. Well, it's hard to do one-handed. I'm holding my phone with the other hand. So you shoot it through here. As I like to do it with two hands. And like I said, it's hard to do it while I'm on the phone, so I'm going to try to do it one-handed. It's probably not going to work. We're going to try it anyway. Here we go. You see, it's pretty simple. You just follow the numbers that's on the machine. See, it dropped right in there. Number 6, drop in there. And then number 7 down here for my threader. And it does have a cutter right here. Okay, and then I've noticed on this machine a lot of times you've got to be sure the needle is at the top. And then the threader on the side. As you see it threaded through there, but I always have to get the thread started. And I've got to do a little adjustments on here. It shouldn't hold right there like it is. I did get it through there. Okay, now let it back down. Green light comes on. I'm ready to go. And I always like to stop it, cut off my excess thread here. And this is only going to last. I think it's calling for 1 minute. Let's see what it does. This is my design on this logo. I digitized it and everything. Okay, there's the red. Now it's calling for a white. I do have a white over here on my thread holder. So I'm going to raise the foot back up, pull the thread back out. Now, since I'm calling for white, I'm going to pull the white in here. Well, it's trying to wrap all up. And the same thing with the white, and threaded up here. I was really surprised that I was able to thread it with y'all one hand. Usually takes two hands. Just bear with me a minute. I gotta straighten out the little gumpiness right there. Okay. You see them coming down on 3. It's got a hook in up here. Usually if you go in that slot and then come back, it goes right in there. 5, 6. I got it. 7. Cut. Be sure the needle's all the way up. And, well, didn't thread it. I still really don't see how this thing works, but oh, I didn't have it in the bottom. I didn't have it in a 6. Having a little difficulty getting it 6. There it is. It's in 6 now. Focus, focus, see? Focus. That one, 7. Cut. Thread. There it is. Okay, and then use my little pick, hold it there. Be sure it's out of the little tensioner right there. Now I can bring the thread on through. I'm ready to go. Drop the foot down. Go. As you can see, if you cut it by the cutter back here, it automatically adjusts itself. Let's just call it for 1 minute on this one. It's basically the teeth on the alligator. The digitizing program I chose was, I think it's Stitch Express. It's fairly easy to work and run. I had a few problems with it at first. Okay, that was it on the white. I'm going to come up with my foot, pull my white back out. Now it's calling for a black. I got my black over here. I'm probably going to open another black. I'm running black over here. PE 770 still working on this design. A lot of stitches in this one. So I've got another black, and it's 900. Black is, I can see that 900. Just stand by a minute. Let me thread it up. Okay, I got the black on there and threaded up. I do not like doing the black. It's hard to see, and then you get it in there and you really don't feel like it's in there. You have to really watch it. It's just hard to see. But as you can see, this PE 535, it thing runs and runs and runs. You see right there, I got a thread on the eye right there. It's a white one. I'm gonna get under here and go ahead and trim it up. There's a yellow one right there. I don't know if you're supposed to do this while the machine's running or not, but I do. It does make it easier to clean up when you're done with it. So that's my adventures on the snow day. This one's still running. Yeah, that's a big, lot of stitches in that patch. So what I'll do on that is go ahead and put a border around the outside of it. And it is on a piece of wore out blue jeans. So, you know, I like new material's nice, but a lot of that faded, and especially the denim really makes some nice looking patches. It really does. Looks like my gator's turning out pretty good. And I guess I'll get off here. As you can see, this thread holder, I think it works better than that other one over there, and they're both cheap. But I'll leave you with this. Snow in Georgia. And it's still coming down. Thanks for watching. Okay, I finished the patch on the 770. I'm still sewing the gaiters over here. Got a whole pack of t-shirts. I got this one ready, all hooped up and ready to go. I got working down to the bottom. There's that last one I did. But my motorcycle patch. Huh? What y'all think? Thanks for watching. Signing out. Yeah, when my neighbor showed up, we decided to go ride around in his four-wheeler. There he is right there. So we back in the back in the bushes.